Hoy, feeling chef. Intimate lang. Ay, gumagano'n ang intimate. Char. Bago ang lahat, roll that intro, please.
It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Hi guys, good morning. So today, it's Clark's 37 monthsary. Ilan ba? No, 38 pala. Clark, here's mom. Good morning. Where do you want to go? Oh, you want to tape the tremendous tractor. Where did you get it? Where did you get the tape? I-tape ko daw yung tremendous tractors. Kasi nasira. Kasi sabi ko, tomorrow na lang. Hindi niya nakalimutan. Okay. There you go. What will you say?
Hey, you, Tato.
Thank you, Mom, for taping the tremendous tractor. Huh? Who made this? Clark or Daddy?
Daddy.
Daddy? Did Daddy made it? Ano? Do you want to eat breakfast na? Is your tummy hungry? Tummy hungry na? Not yet. Why? Not yet hungry? I'm gonna prepare his breakfast na. Ika na. Hi, Clark. So, we're gonna give Jerome's coffee. Breakfast na siya eh. Kumain na daw siya ng sandwich. Coffee delivery! Open the door, please. Coffee! Coffee delivery! His desk is a mess!
Thank you.
No, but na.
Meron tayo, marami tayo.
What are you doing, Clark? Eating in your car? So, ako'y magluluto na. So, kahapon, hindi kami lumabas. Dito lang kami sa bahay. Anong tawag dito? Ano ba yun? Ano lang, kain lang dito sa bahay. Intimate lang. Ay, gumagano'n ang intimate. So, ganun lang. Simula na nagka-baby ako, nakasanayan ko na the house lang talaga. Since ngayon, mansari ni Clark, char. So, yun. Magluluto na ako. Ayusin ko lang yung lulutuin ko. Ha? See you guys later. It's pork. Kamayin ko na, guys. Ka-jelly na yung water. So, dapat, pag nagluluto tayo nito, dry na dry siya. Dapat walang moist. Hoy! Feeling chef. Dapat walang moist. Para crunchy siya. Actually, first time ko lang ito ginawa. Gagawin. So, pork. Say pork. Pork knuckle. So, I'm gonna season it with salt and I'm gonna spray oil in it. Ay! Ano nangyari dyan? And mommy's gonna put... What's this? What letter is this? S is for salt. S. You can do it. Oh, mix natin, massage natin, guys. Ito siya, guys. Saan ko ba ito nabili? Hindi ko alam kung sa Woolies o Kohl's. Ito siya. Dito siya. Ito siya. Now, show them. Pork knuckle. First time ko siyang gagawin, pero matagal ko nang nabili to. Ma-expire na kaya gagamitin ko na siya. So, yeah, it's a special day today. It's because it's Clark Mansari birthday! I love you. Go, 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 go! Play with you. So, ito na siya guys. Preheat ko lang yung oven. So, ayan na siya. Nilagay ko na sa baking tray. Yeah. So, ilalagay ko na siya guys. Kasi init na yung oven. We're gonna bake it for... How many minutes, Clark? 50 minutes. Tignan natin, guys. Wait nyo. Nag-bake ako ng cake. Char! Siyempre, joke lang. Rainbow cake. Favorite niya to. Oo. Mura lang. Tipid-tipid. Mommy's gonna put So guys, ito na ang effort namin ni Clark! Wow! Nice! It's okay. Cake by Mommy and Clark! Woohoo! So guys, ito na siya. Yeah! That's the pork knuckle! Hot, hot, hot! This is the pork knuckle. Look at that. It's so yummy. Hot pa, ha? Then, this is the sausawan from Ate Chara's backyard. Sili. It's apricot. Good? Yum? Are you gonna eat that all? Yeah?
Did you cook that? Ha? Galing-galing naman ng babo. Wow. Thank you, Mommy.
Show Daddy your cake. Wow! We made it! That we baked
Cake
it.
ko? Did you do that, Mommy?
Yes, of course. From course, dinecorate lang namin ni Clark.
Yon.
Eating time.
Grabe to. Oh? Pampabata?
Cake
For the
from
first time?
Cole. And what is that? For
Pork
the
knuckle.
first time, pork.
knuckle.
For the first time.
Crispy pata.
Crispy pata. Oh, let's eat.
Pag social, pork knuckle.
Let's eat.
Let's
Eating
eat.
time.
Paano yan? Kakain muna kami. Balik na lang kami mamaya, ha? See you guys later.
Bye. Bye-bye. I'll see you guys later. Kakain lang kami. I'll see you guys
Kakain lang kami.
later. Kakain lang kami. Ay, hindi recording. Char.
Recording. Ayun, nakita ko yun.
Please. Clark, you eat your... Tama na.
Isang dinner to, di ba? So, wala nang laman yung kwarto niya. Tapos na ako maligo. Wala siya sa kwarto niya. Wala nang laman. Obviously. Tignan natin anong ginagawa niya. Ayun! Dumidede! Nandun ang mga toys. Alam mo, oh, ang dumi-dumi na. Nagkalat na yung mga toys mo. Mga cars mo.
Tita.
Oh, sleeping time na yung mga... Sleeping time na daw yung mga cars. Sleep na. Dede na? Sleep na kayo ng friend mo? Ha? Sleep na? Say bye-bye na.
Papa, ito na.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you. See you on our next vlog. Goodbye. Okay, I'll see you guys on our next vlog. Bye.
Bye.